paradise of tropical mountains high in the Sierra Madres, coffee plants grow and thrive in the morning mist.
This is one of the most biodiverse areas in the world. We were wondering, what was it about this land that kept these people so healthy?
And for centuries, those who painstakingly tend to the wild coffee plants and harvest the beans have held a secret to health and longevity.
And we realized it when we saw them coming at 6 a.m., grabbing some coffee fruit, intaking it. It has to be the coffee berry.
All of a sudden, it hit us. All of a sudden, the world opened up.
For centuries, people have roasted coffee beans and enjoyed a cup of coffee. However, they have been missing the nutrients in the coffee fruit, in coffee berry.
The well-loved coffee bean is actually the seed of a delicious, healthful red fruit.
We found out that we were discarding what has the most value.
As we started peeling back the layers, it became apparent that the abundance of nutrition, the glyconutrients, the antioxidant contained really kind of put itself far above anything else we'd ever dealt with before.
Coffee berry, to our knowledge, is the most potent in total antioxidant capacity.
The coffee fruit, rich in phenolic acid, antioxidants, and natural nutrients, offered a gift to the world. But a gift that would not prove easy to give. This fruit is extremely delicate. A picked berry retains its peak flavor and nutritive value only for a short time. And so began a 7-year process of innovating ways to stabilize and preserve the nutrients of the fruit.
Until we took advantage of it as a waste product. It was being disposed of. It was right there the whole time.
Coffee berry, which is our flagship technology, it's a technology that we had been working on for a long time, a number of years.
Coffee berry's been hiding in plain sight for centuries. And all of a sudden we get the opportunity to bring this cornucopia of nutrition to the marketplace.
Fruit to fruit, volume to volume, whole fruit to whole fruit. Coffee berry is the highest in ORAC score.
We've got the knowledge. We've got the science. We've got a unique, exclusive product. We have a global business opportunity that's unprecedented.
These are new discoveries that are being reported in science.
This could not have happened 15 years ago. This couldn't have happened 5 years ago. It happened right now, at the right time, for the right reasons. This opportunity, time has come. It's unique. It's exciting. It's going to change your life.